எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். I definitely want to speak in English because சொல்லுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப இருக்கு and I don't want to சொதப்பு anywhere actually. First and foremost, Director Selvaraghavan and PVP, because of which this project has come together. Director Selvaraghavan, one person whom I've always wanted to work with, but I'm very glad I didn't work with him before this movie, because I've always wanted to do a love story, and if you see, when you see the movie, you'll understand what I'm saying. There's so much of emotions. There's something which I have not seen in cinema in the recent past. I'm definite that this movie is going to definitely be a pathbreaker. And PVP, I must say, when we started this film, it just started off as another actress who want to do a real good script, work with a good director, a good production house. But having started, I would want to say there are three people behind this: PV, Rajiv, and there's one more person who's not here, who's very, very dear to us, Vinay, because we've all traveled together for these 2 years, which started off as a project and has ended up not only being a bonus of a good project, but they've ended up being family for us. It's a connection which we've made with Selvaraghavan, Geetanjali, Ramji Garu, and PVP, which is always going to remain with us for the rest of our lives. There's so many things that I have learned as an artist with this. I want to talk, I definitely want to thank Selva Garu for this, because I don't want to let the secret out. Each and every artist who works with him will know what you learn, the small nuances that he teaches you, which will make you a great performer. So tomorrow when you all see the movie, I'm very sure whatever you all feel, if you all feel that we've done some amazing performance, that's all his tricks. Thank you very much. Ramji Garu, like he said, we've shot in a lot of difficult circumstances, even though some hilly terrain, very uncomfortable, but if not for this whole team, and especially when Geetanjali, she traveled with Selva on all our shoots, and so it made, she used to always carry food for us and make it look like it's like home for us, make sure that once we come back from shoot, it's back home. And I want to thank each and every person, the direction department, Shankar Garu. There's a lot of them from the direction department. Each one, I would want to thank them. It's just not what you see on screen. It's not only us. It's each and every person behind that. And Haris Garu, when I've shot for movies, I've listened to my songs. But I must definitely say you that the songs of Irundam Ulagam, it plays in my home on repeat. And Vinay knows about it. It's almost a point where the CDs come to scratch. It's all scratched up, and I think the songs are beautiful, and more than that, I would say it's very magical. And that's what I would want to say, that the whole script, including the script, the music, the direction, everything is like quite magical. So I'm very, very blessed to be a part of this, and as much as the audience are waiting to see the movie on screen, I'm waiting as much. And last but not least, my co-star Arya. There's something that I totally envy about him, that how a person can be so relaxed at the same time, very fun-loving, relaxed. You just look at him, you just feel that he wants to just have fun. But his dedication, if you've seen the different kinds of movies that he's done, his dedication, his absolutely no hang-ups, and the way he makes sure that each and every person and the unit is comfortable, and at the same time 100% dedication to his work. I think that's an amazing quality. Thanks for all the support. And Dipali, thank you very, very much. And I know how difficult it was for us to give that transition. And I was shooting continuously, and so between Selva Garu and Dipal, they had to literally stalk me down and get me to do the trials. Thank you so much, and I'm sure that all of you will love the movie. Thank you again.